Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video to do the another benchmark test on the OnePlus Nord 2 device after the recent software update. And during this process of demonstration, I'll try to use the high performance mode. So there's another video which I uploaded previously without using any kind of high performance mode. Yes, so there is a difference between using the high performance mode and without using high performance mode. I just want to see is it got any kind of better or not. So that is the reason I thought of doing two different videos, so which will be clearing all the doubts as well for a lot of other users. So let's go to the battery settings and use the battery, and in the battery, as you can see right now, I'll get to go to the more options, and is the high performance mode is turned on. As you can see, I'll try to turn on the high performance mode at this point. Let's see using the high performance mode whether you can actually get any kind of better score than before or not. That's what I'm going to exactly compare. And this exact software update which I have received, as you can see from the latest software update in the OnePlus Nord 2, as you can see exactly, and which says the improved system stability and fixed the known issues as well in the update log, as you can clearly see here. Let's see how much it got improved in the system stability in this phone. That is what I'm going to exactly check, because a lot of users, they did ask me some question that how is the Antutu benchmark score, is it got better or not, can you please do the Antutu benchmark score. So I thought of doing this kind of Antutu benchmark score in the OnePlus Nord device at this point. Let's see friends, what is the difference we can actually expect from the before score to right now score. And my main focus will be on the temperatures as well. Yes, temperatures are also another main thing. So let's check in the beginning how much it is. So before, whenever we do the Antutu benchmark score, Antutu benchmark test, the temperature used to increase up to 40 degrees and I think close to 41, sometimes 39 as well. Let's see this time after the software update whether the temperatures got maintained properly in the OnePlus Nord 2 device or not. I'll try to update you clearly how much temperature increasing in the OnePlus Nord 2 during this process of Antutu benchmark test. In case if you have any other queries, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to help you out, and I'm doing a lot of testing on this phone at this moment regarding the camera, because this update as did mention that a lot of things about the camera related issues got fixed. Let's see how much the camera got improved in this kind of OnePlus Nord 2 device. So that will be my first focus, and next is the temperature focus will be there in this phone. And after all this kind of battery draining test also I need to do everything. So it's going to be really big difference for me to test on the OnePlus Nord 2. So stay tuned for more updates. So I will be back after once the Antutu benchmark test finish entirely. So I just don't want to make this video very lengthy. That is the reason I'm trying to skip to the last part itself. That is a request which has come from a lot of other users, keeping the video very short, close to 3 to 4 minutes of time only. So again, I'll be back after Antutu benchmark test has been completed. So right now, as you can see friends, the Antutu benchmark score is about close to 6,73,000 by using the high performance mode in this phone. And the temperature maximum, it went up to only 39 degrees. That's it. It did not increase more than that. So 37.8 degrees, and right now you can see 38.2 degrees during this complete test of the Antutu benchmark score in the OnePlus Nord device, as you can see friends exactly. So I think overall it was kind of good. I would say 6,73,000. I think this is the highest so far I did reach in the OnePlus Nord 2. I'll try to take the screenshot and I'll try to show you a couple of other Antutu benchmark score which I got before. Let me try to open the screenshot folder. Let's see what is happening with the before Antutu benchmark. I think the highest, yes, 6,76,000 was the highest before I got here, as you can see. So this used to my highest Antutu benchmark score, and right now I did get about 6,73,000. As you can compare the side by side. You can compare the CPU and the GPU as well in case if you wanted. I think the CPU GPU slightly increased. As you can see friends, right before it was 183 and 238, and right now today after recent software update it got up to 185 and 239, as you can see clearly in this OnePlus Nord 2 device. So slightly got better. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video. It's a quick review on the Antutu benchmark application in this OnePlus Nord 2 device, and in case if you have any other doubts on this OnePlus Nord 2, let me know in the comment section below. And I think maybe the temperatures might be slightly got better. I think that is what I'm expecting in this phone. Let's see what will happen for the next couple of days. I'll be doing intense kind of testing on this OnePlus Nord 2. Then we'll be able to come into the conclusion what is happening with this device properly. So thank you for watching this video friends, and see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned for more updates, and meanwhile don't forget to follow the playlist. Just follow the playlist to get to know each and every detail about this OnePlus Nord 2 regarding the performance and all the aspects. And thank you for watching, and see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.